Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the lower drawer cover in this GE refrigerator, fully remove both the middle drawer and the lower drawer. Next, remove the glass shelf from the cover. You can now lift the old cover up and forward to remove. To prepare the new lower drawer cover for installation, transfer the front and rear gaskets from the old cover to the new one. Now align the cover's rear notches over the rear liner support posts and lower the cover onto the front posts. Insert the front edge of the glass shelf into the cover first, then lower the rear edge. Replace the lower drawer as well as the middle drawer, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.